Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we are gonna be learning how to delete a deck in Clash Royale. To delete a deck in Clash Royale, first of all, open up the Clash Royale app on your device. Once you have the home page of Clash Royale opened up, go ahead and tap on the Collection tab, which looks like 3 tablets at the bottom. Once you tap on the collection option, get to the decks option and select the deck you want to delete. After choosing a deck, tap on the 3 horizontal bars at the top left and in the pop-up, click on the trash can icon. In the pop-up, click OK to delete the selected deck. And as you can see that, I have just deleted a deck in Clash Royale. That's how you easily delete a deck in Clash Royale. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.